Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a 2 marks question from the Cbse Supplementary Exam 2025. Let's look at the question. In the given figure, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. Find the area of the shaded region and keep the answer in terms of pi. Now here they've mentioned in the question that ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. Now, if these lines AB and DC are parallel, AD will be a transversal, which means the value of this angle X or angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees because they form co-interior angles. And from this, we know that angle A will be 180 minus angle D, which is given as 60 degree. So, angle A is going to be 120 degree. Now the same way we know that B plus C is equal to 180 degrees because BC is like a transversal. From this we know that angle B is 120 degrees. So we can find angle C as 180 minus angle B, which is 120 degrees. And this gives us the value of angle C as 60 degrees. Okay, now we have to find the area of the shaded region. So I'll just name this as the first region and this is the second region, and we have to find the combined area of the two regions. Okay, so let me show you how to do each part separately so that you understand it better. But you could also combine and write it together. Now area of shaded region 1 is equal to, by the way, it's a sector, so we would use the formula to find the area of a sector, which is theta by 360 into pi r squared. So I'm taking it as theta 1 by 360 into pi r1 squared. So that will give me 120 by 360 into pi into r1 squared. In this case, the value of r is 3 centimeters. So 3 times 3. So that is equal to 3 pi centimeter square. Now area of shaded region 2 is equal to theta 2 by 360 degree into pi r2 squared. Okay, so that's equal to 60 by 360 into pi into r2, we know in this case is 6 centimeters. See, this is the radius of the sector. So 6 times 6. Now 60 goes 6 times in 360 and I would get the answer as 6 pi centimeter square. So total area of shaded region is equal to 3 pi plus 6 pi, and that's equal to 9 pi centimeter square. Since they've asked us to keep the answer in terms of pi, you can leave your answer as 9 pi centimeter square. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.